वेलकम टू लिबेंस एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग पोल्यूशन पे एक ऐसे लिखे आए हैं जो इंग्लिश में है। अगर आपको पोल्यूशन पे ऐसे लिखना है इंग्लिश में तो आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। इसमें बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन लिखने का मैंने ट्राई किया है। सो अगर आपको समझ में आए तो इसे ज़रूर लिखिए, अगर आपको होमवर्क में या दिया गया हो। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा। अगर आप एसेज लिखना चाहते हैं तो एसेज की कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बुक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उनकी लिंक मेंशन कर दी है। आप अमेजोन से जाके उन्हें बाई कर सकते हैं। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं अगर आपको पसंद आए, क्योंकि ये बुक्स इंपॉर्टेंट बुक्स हैं। अगर आप ऐसे लिखना चाहते हैं तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल साबित होंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। सर आप देख पा रहे होंगे हेडिंग डाला हुआ मैंने पॉल्यूशन। फिर लिखा है पॉल्यूशन इज़ अ टर्म विच इवन किड्स आर अवेयर ऑफ दीज डेज. It has become so common that almost everyone acknowledges the fact that pollution is rising continuously. The term pollution means the manifestation of any unsolicited foreign substance in something. When we talk about pollution on Earth, we refer to the contamination that is happening of the natural resources by various pollutants. All this is mainly caused by human activities, which harm the environment in ways more than one. Therefore, an urgent need has arisen to tackle this issue straight away. This is to say, pollution is damaging our earth severely, and we need to realize its effect and prevent this damage. In the present time, pollution has become a serious threat to human life. Pollution affects the quality of life more than one can imagine. It works in mysterious ways, sometimes which cannot be seen by the naked eye. However, it is very much present in the environment. For instance, you might not able to see the natural gases present in air, but they are still there. Similarly, the pollutants which are messing up the air and increasing the levels of carbon dioxide is very dangerous for humans. Increased level of carbon dioxide will lead to global warming. Further, the water is polluted in the name of industrial development, religious practices, and more will cause a shortage of drinking water. Without water, human life is not possible. Moreover, the way waste is dumped on the land eventually ends up in the soil and turns toxic. If land pollution keeps on happening at this rate, we won't have fertile soil to grow our crops on. Therefore, serious measures must be taken to reduce the pollution to the core. The three major types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. After learning the harmful effects of pollution, one must get on the task of preventing or reducing pollution. People should take public transport or carpool to reduce vehicular smoke. While it may be hard, avoiding firecrackers at festivals and celebrations can also cut down on air and noise pollution. Above all, we must adopt the habit of recycling. All the used plastic ends up in the ocean and land, which pollutes them. So remember, do not dispose of them off after use. Rather, reuse them as long as you can. We must also encourage everyone to plant more trees, which will absorb the harmful gases and make the air cleaner. When talking on a bigger level, the government must limit the uses of fertilizers to maintain the soil's fertility. In addition, industries must be banned from dumping their waste into oceans and rivers, causing water pollution. To sum it up, all types of pollution is hazardous and comes with grave consequences. Everyone must take a step towards change, ranging from individual to the industries, as tackling this problem calls for a joint effort. So we must join hands now. Moreover, the innocent lives of animals are being lost because of such human activities. So all of us must take a stand and become a voice for the unheard in order to maintain this earth pollution free. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा। अगर कोई गलती हो गई प्रोनाउंसिएशन में तो उसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ। मैंने ऐसे बुक्स की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दी है, आप वहाँ जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। एंड मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में किसी और टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।